Baba, he wants to help. He doesn't want to stay in your room. He wants to help Baba cleaning. Yes.
What do you want?
No, he wants to. He wants to push the bed, the mattress.
تعال we'll remove this. يلا تعال we'll remove this.
Help Baba. Anak, sige.
يلا يلا remove تعال يلا remove. Remove.
Look at him. He's helping you, Baba.
شاطر.
He's always
يلا
helping.
remove remove يا حبيبي. This
Remove
one,
the mat.
this one.
From the here. Anak.
Sure.
Sige, very good. Sige, remove. Sige. Anak.
يلا remove يلا.
He put it there. Look at the mat, the carpet. So dirty. It's Zedo's food. The chips, Mama's hair, a lot. Come here. You want to help Baba? Oh. There's nothing you can do here. You just want to be near Baba. Come here. Baba is cleaning, oh. Oh, Baba cleaning. He's also...
Wait.
Come here. Oh, do not touch the water, ha? Sige, do the vacuum. He doesn't want to stay in one place. He wants to vacuum all the carpet. Look at Baba. That's the way to vacuum Zaid. He wants to get it. He wants to do it, Baba.
تعال يلا خمش. يلا بدها يا بطل زين يلا. واش يلا. يلا واش كاربت يلا. يلا واش. يلا.
Washing the carpet. Washing carpet.
واح.
Water. That's water. Very good. Oh, sige, wawa. Sige, okay. Oh, he wants the police. It's more nice, they do know more space, right? Now more space. You can play there and here and run. Okay?